Hi friends, welcome. I'm Buddy Wagner, your mental health professor. Do you suffer from PTSD? If so, you've come to the right place. Today I want to share with you an exercise that can help you overcome PTSD. This exercise comes from energy psychology. It's called the emotional freedom technique. You can do it with me if you want to, or you can just watch me do it this first time. And so we begin by tapping the sides of our hands together with our palms turned upward, and we say something like this: I totally and unconditionally accept myself, even though I have PTSD. I totally and unconditionally accept myself, even though I have PTSD. And then we tap on the inside of our eyes, and as we tap here, we might say something like PTSD, or we might say something positive like I'm strong, I'm strong. And then the side of our eyes, I'm strong, I can do this, I can get better, I can improve, I can get well under our eyes, and then under our nose, above our lips. I'm strong, I'm courageous, I can overcome this. And then under our lips, on our chin, I am strong, I am able to overcome this. And then under our arms, I am strong, I can do this, I can accomplish this. I am strong, I can accomplish this. I know that I have hope and courage and faith that I can get well. And then tap the inside of your little finger and your ring finger, and as you tap here, look down into the floor and raise your eyes up to the ceiling. And then close your eyes, open your eyes, look down into the right, look down into the left, rotate your eyes, rotate them the other direction, and then hum happy birthday. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then hum happy birthday again. And then do the tapping again. I totally and unconditionally accept myself, even though I have PTSD. I totally and unconditionally accept myself, even though I have PTSD. I have PTSD, but I can get better. I can get well. I'm strong and I can get stronger. I'm courageous and I can have even more courage. I can have peace. I can know through faith that I can accomplish this. I'm strong. I can do this. Yes, I can. I can do this. I have hope and faith that this will work. I believe that I can get better, that I can overcome my PTSD. I'm strong. I'm courageous, and I can accomplish this. And so do that exercise. Do it as many times as you need to. Do it every day. And over time, I think you will find that you will improve, that you'll feel better, and perhaps even totally overcome your PTSD. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you know someone that could benefit from this, please share it with them. I'm Buddy Wagner, your mental health professor, wishing you the best of mental health.